smooth so you can get it going good.
What's that? That's a big
It's a big hula hoop, but it's messed up.
Sissy's hula hoop isn't finished yet. Go ahead, I want to see you hula hoop, girl. That's not how you do it. You gotta put it, remember how we held it on our backs and we swung it back and forth?
Yeah. Start it like this. Hold it on your back, okay? Push these back a little bit. Push them forward. Push your hands forward. Hold it. Yeah, there you go. Now, swing back and forth.
Swing back and forth.
There you go.
Woo!
Spin it around. Go boom! And let it go. Boom! And let it go. Let it go though. You gotta let it go with your hands. No, but swing it back.
What do you keep pointing at? Yeah, that's Mr. Deward. Go for it, Maddie. Get your hoop on, girl. Watch out, Ava.
Watch out though.
Ava Grace.
Okay, now you watch. Watch how it starts. Yep. And then I go boom, and I let it go. Whoa! But you gotta do the hip motion, see?
Don't get too close, Ava.
Hips around in a circle. You gotta do it. Yeah, there you go.
How do you do it, Ava?
You wanna try it? Try the hip motion first. Just hold the hula hoop. And do like this. Look at me. Look at me. Swing your hips around like this.
Do you step on a paint cone?
Get it.
Watch out, it might bite you. No? Did you kill it? How do you hoop now? Alright, you're not hooping anymore. I'm finished.